Hi, this is Umar, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can upload a bill of material template. So we will be uploading FP6, the reference number FP6. We will be uploading FP7. So we'll go to a template and let's go change it to FP7, doc 7. Okay, so this is a template. You can either use a part number or a full part number and product name in the template. These are the vendor name, these are the quantities and the references and the remarks. The rest of the thing will be fetched automatically from the product master. Let's go and upload it. Favorites, import, upload bill of materials. Okay, all the values are mapped. We'll test it. Alright, there are non-blocking warnings, no worries, we'll just import it. And this FP7 is uploaded. So here are the templates. It fetched OEM map to it, all the references and everything, it fetched from there. Thank you.